Want to streamline your team's follow-up process with Attio and Slack? In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate the two and create a workflow that automatically reminds your team to reach out to new leads. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just make sure the Slack integration is set up. So I'm just going to go to Account Settings, Integrations, type in Slack. And then you can see mine is already installed. If yours is not, you'll see an install button and it will just take you through the instructions on how to install it. Super easy to do though. I'm going to add workspace and I'm going to allow the permissions. And done. You can see it's already connected. So that was easy. Okay, so now I'm going to get started on my workflow. So I'm just going to go back. Going to workflows, new workflow, and let's say I want my team members to be notified when there's a new lead and remind the appropriate team member to reach out. So the trigger is going to be record created. The object will be people. And let's say I assign leads in a round robin format. I'm going to select round robin as the next step. And it's just me in this account, but of course, if you have more users, you'll see them there. So you'll see pick between 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth users. And then the next step will be post message to channel under Slack. And I'm going to select the Slack workspace, the channel. So I have a leads channel. And now the message will be new lead, insert variable, the picked user from the round robin, reach out to, created record. I'm going to select the full name first, and then the record URL so that my team member can just click on the record URL and start outreach right away instead of having to look for them in Attio. Okay, so that looks good to me. I'm just going to name this workflow Slack reminders new leads. Super easy, confirm. Okay, great. And now as a test, I'm going to create a new lead. So new person. And of course, you can do this via CSV if you have a larger number of leads or if you have an automated way of syncing your leads into Attio. That will work in this scenario as well, but just for the sake of this example, I'm creating a manual lead. Create record. Okay, great. So I can just go into workflows now and see if this has ran, and it has. Looks like it worked. It has not failed, completed. Perfect. So now I'm going to go into Slack. I'm in the leads channel, and you can see here, new lead, Kayla Campos, reach out to Deborah Walker. And if I click into this link, it takes me to Deborah Walker's profile, and I can now start outreach. And that's how you can easily integrate Attio with Slack to create an automated follow-up workflow. I hope this tutorial helps you save time and stay on top of your leads. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.